This video not sponsored or endorsed at all by Moxie Skates, but that's where this box is from, apparently. To me, it's just from the recycling bin. But Moxie Skates is the company that it came from. The pizza box was a fail. It was way too windy and too fragile and brittle. It broke and it just didn't work. So we're making something heavier duty. Pull this out of the recycling bin and we're gonna put some rocks in there. I already put some old paper grocery bags in there to kind of cushion the bottom. I have no idea what this was from. I think it's from somebody that bought roller skates, but there's a very important message that I have to read to you.
Made with Moxie. Mom used to say to Lolly and me, always make sure that whatever you choose to do in life, be passionate about it, what it is that you are doing. No punctuation there, by the way. Find out what you truly love to do. Stay focused and determined.
Love and Moxie to all. Michelle Stylin, aka Estrogen. Estrogen. Ah, nice. Okay. And there's also.
It sounded like you were about to cry the whole time you were reading it.
It's meant to look like one of those lock-up boxes, but it is not. It's just cardboard, and it's black, which will help our cause. So we're gonna get started here with some new tools. We're gonna throw these rocks in there, in the corners, to weigh it down. I want this to look kind of nice, so I'm gonna cut up this bag instead of just shoving it in here. And you can see that we have all 4 rocks in the corners there as they roll away. Okay. And it even seals a little bit better too. Alrighty, got our sheet right here. I'm gonna try and mark it a little bit better than we did with the last one. But also got some sticks here, which you will see their use in a little bit. Over the years, I've become pretty good with securing different shapes with duct tape. Don't mind the strange geometry going on here. Not to brag or anything, but I'm something of a duct tape mechanic myself, you know. Though I suppose anybody who prefers fixing things over buying new ones is a duct tape mechanic themselves as well. And if I had to point out a weakness here, it would be that this rope is completely straight, so with enough force, theoretically, it would pull all the way out. But the reason I'm not too worried about that is because this is jute twine and it's just so frilly. I can't imagine that the adhesive on the duct tape would rip that out. But that's why we're doing all these V sections here to kind of secure it. And then just to make it nice at the top, we'll add another little strip there. And then this twig that we used from the Siberian elm, the other end is forked. It's a Y shape. And then we've got this little nub right here. The nub won't go back through unless, I mean, if you really force it, it will, obviously. But the reason we wanted one with both the fork and this little nub is so that we can secure this hatch right here with this twine on there. So you can actually adjust the angle based on based on the angle of the sun. I'm gonna test it out tomorrow. We're going out all day, so it'll have plenty of time to sit in the sun. And like I mentioned before, that yam is already a little bit cooked from today's, but not nearly enough to eat. Still hard. But we will, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I hope it goes well. I'm feeling much better about this version. It's like, it looks good. It looks like you could buy it from a strange guy at a flea market, which I probably will end up being someday. Anyway, test it out. See you on the other end. Pop it open. All right, our potato is shriveled, which usually means that it's cooked. Okay, wow, look at that. There's even some liquid on the side, but this is definitely cooked. If you listen real closely. Oh yeah. This potato is super old and it's been half cooked for like a week, so I don't think I really want to eat this one, but this machine cooks potatoes. Amazing. We've unlocked so many new recipes. I'm gonna cook another potato in it that I can actually eat. The potatoes did not work out so well. That's my fault though. I didn't use the newest potatoes. I've never in my life successfully made a potato go rotten. I've grown eyes out of potatoes and planted them hydroponically in my dorm room. I've eaten raw potatoes. I've done everything with a potato that you can do except get a rotten potato, but I somehow managed to do it this time, which is impressive. For me, at least. I think it had something to do with keeping it warm and in the sun and forgetting about it for 2 days. So in short, the sun in that solar oven does cook things, just not well, and it's even better at making things rot. So it would be a great device to use in a compost system. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick shout out to Agate Dad. He has an awesome YouTube channel. His name's Taylor. And he goes around Lake Superior and hunts for agates with his kid's son, which is just such a cool idea for a YouTube channel. So go over there and check him out and watch his videos because they're really freaking cool. And he commented on one of our videos, Ducks on a Landing. If you haven't gone to go see that, the link's right here. It's like 20 seconds, but it's basically just ducks landing, and he commented quack, which I thought was hilarious. So now we're doing a shout out because that really made me laugh. Anyway, thanks for commenting. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe down below and click that dinner bell icon. That way you get notified sometimes when our videos come out, because we're planning on doing some more fun stuff like this. And we have the supercut of the Great American Road Trip coming out, which is all of the states that we crossed from Vermont down through New York to New Jersey, and then pretty much a straight line through the Rockies and then into Utah and then down here to Arizona. So go check that out when it comes out, but if you subscribe, you'll be notified when it does come out. And check out the rest of our content. I hope you like it. If you like this, you'll probably like some of the other absurd things that we've done. But I will see you in those videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in those videos.
Hi. Good boy.